Our next talk is improving your relationships. So this can be your spiritual relationships.
Well, improving your relationships, spiritualizing them to begin with improves all of them.
Oh.
The awareness that God is present at all times. To be as loving as possible towards all of life and all of its expressions. Means to be kind to your environment, to be kind to this couch, to be kind to you, to be kind to myself, be kind to my sweater and not go and tear it or rip it or something. Not spill things on it. So I try to be as kind to my environment as I can.
Okay.
And kind to other people's environment.
Can you talk about what one should have consideration for other people?
I think that's a general rule of life. Consideration for life in all of its expressions.
Okay.
And of course, one of its major expressions is the aliveness of the life of the persons that are near you and you contribute to your life and to your happiness. So we try to be as loving as we can towards all of life in all of its expressions, and especially those that are closest to us. And then they in turn pick up that energy and pass it on to others. Mm-hmm. So when we're loving towards a friend, they are therefore more loving towards their friends, which are more loving. So like.
So it's kind of passed along.
Yeah. So lovingness, I think, to be as loving as you can towards all of life and all of its expressions all the time, is making a major contribution to life and to the overall energy of life. Mm-hmm. And it creates a certain ambiance that affects everyone. Mm-hmm.